Hello, this is Jigo Crochet. In this video tutorial we will learn how to make this stitch. It's a very simple and straightforward stitch. It's consisting of clusters of 3 double crochets. To do this stitch you need to chain multiples of threes and plus 2 at the end. So if you want to make, let's say, an average scarf, so you have to chain 42 and then you need to add extra 2 chains at the end, so it will be 44. For the purpose of this tutorial I will be chaining 24 plus 2, that will be 26 chains. I hope you will enjoy this tutorial. Please subscribe for other videos update, and thank you for watching. Okay, I have changed 24 chains, multiple of threes, plus 2, so the total is 26 chains. To begin the pattern for this stitch, we will skip the first 5 chains next to the hook, and we will make double crochet in the 6th one. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and we will do a double crochet like this, and we will make another double crochet in same stitch like this, and a third double crochet in same stitch like this. Okay, now we will skip next 2 chains and we will 3 double crochets in the 3rd chain. So this is 1, 2, and we will make 3 double crochets and 3. Okay, now we will skip next 2 chains and we will 3 double crochets in the 3rd chain, and we will repeat this until we reach the end of the row, and I will meet you there. Okay, we have one set to go of 3 double crochets, so we will skip next 2 chains and we will 3 double crochets in the 3rd chain like this. 1, 2, and 3. Now if you look at the chains left, we will have 2 chains left here. So what we will do, we will double crochet in last chain, 1 double crochet only, like this. 1 double crochet only in last chain, and then we will chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and we will turn our work like this. Okay, this is the first row. Now the second row, we chained 3, and then there is a space here between the clusters. We will use them, so we will use the spaces here to work next row, our second row. So we will do 2 double crochets inside this space like this. 1, 2, and the pattern for the rest of the row, in each space here we will work 3 double crochets until we reach the end of this row. I will do 2 sets, so this is 1 double crochet, 2 like this, and the last double crochet, 3. Okay, now we will move to the 3rd space between the double crochet clusters like this. 1, 2, and 3, and we will continue doing this pattern until we reach the end of this row. and I will meet you there. We have reached the end of the second row like this, and we still have this space here. What we will do, we will do 2 double crochets in the space like this, 1 and 2, and then we will work 1 double crochet in chain 3 here, 1 double crochet like this, and we have finished row 2 like this. So the stitch started to appear here. It's a very nice stitch. Now what we will do, we will chain 3, 1 2 3, and we will turn our work, and then we will start working 3 double crochets in the spaces between the previous double crochets clusters. So we will start doing this like this, 1 2 3, and we will go to the next space, 1 2 3, and we will continue doing this pattern until we reach the end of row 3, and I will meet you there. We have reached the end of row 3. We still have one space here to work 3 double crochets in it, 1 2 and 3, and now we will double crochet in chain 3 from beginning chain 3 of row 2, second row. So we will work a double crochet like this, okay, and now we will chain 3, 1 2 3, and we will turn our work, and we will start working row 4, which will be exactly like row 2. So we will start repeating the second and third row until we reach the length desired for our project, and this is the stitch. I will do row 4 and 5, so you can repeat afterward. So we did chain 3, and then we will work 2 double crochets in the space, 1 2, and then we will work 3 double crochets in next spaces between the clusters from previous row until we reach the end of round 4, and I will meet you there. Okay, we have reached the end of row 4. We still have one space here, and to make this pattern easier, the even rows always have 3 double crochet clusters at the end, and the odd rows always have 1 double crochet at both ends. This is 3, and now we will chain 3, and we will start row 5 like this. So this is the first double crochet, and we will work the 3 double crochet clusters in the spaces here. Continue doing this pattern until you reach the desired length, and thank you for watching Jigo Crochet channel, and please subscribe for more video updates. Thank you.